This should be a real short video. It might turn into a day vlog, I don't know yet, we'll figure it out. But what's up guys, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna be riding with Deangelo. He drives his car without using his clutch, surprisingly. I don't know how. He has to fix something with his master cylinder or something, I don't know. But I'm about to ride in it with him, and he's about to show me how to drive it with no clutch. So I'm gonna bring you guys along so we can finally figure out the mystery of driving without a clutch. So we in the car now, and Deangelo is about to drive with no clutch. I'll have him explain to you what the problem is and why he doesn't use his clutch in a second.
I need that clutch mouse or something. I think it's my clutch master. Is it the master? It's the little ball piece. You know what I'm talking about? That pushes the
that's what Corey said.
The clutch fork.
Clutch master cylinder is what he needs to replace.
Yeah, because the clutch fork pushes the clutch fork pushes the throttle bearing in and out, which disengages and engages your clutch. And my clutch master is bad, which isn't giving the master something pressure to push in and out. I don't know, some junk like that. Cut that bit off. Put that bit in reverse. Cut that hole back on. That bit works fine. Pull that bit right out. Straight up. Hold up. Cut that bit right back off. Put that bit in first gear. Cut that hole right back on. No clutch. Yeah.
This man literally does not use the clutch. His foot was on the dead pedal the whole time. I'm gonna show you whenever we get to the open road.
Yeah. Just like this.
And you see how he has to switch from first gear to reverse. He has to turn it off and basically jump start it. He got to jump start it in order for it to go forwards and backwards.
Damn, my car rolled bad with two people in it. I just noticed that. Dang. Hold the gates open. Come on. What is it, bro? What the f? That bitch came open fast as hell. That right there didn't it?
No clutch. Y'all seen the clutch. Y'all seen the clutch. Big hella noise.
Because it's on the ground.
That's how mine lip was when I was going up to North Carolina.
Oh, I know what it is. My front bumper. I gotta push it back on. It's that low life, boy. It's real low life out here. We'll hold that bumper come off.
This man D's bumper was dragging on the ground because I guess it hit the ground, but it must have. Ooh, that's exactly what happened to mine, bro. It went all the way underneath.
Yeah, now, like.
That's exactly what happened to mine. I just put it back on.
Well, I got no choice but to get a new lip now.
Yeah, all your.
Yeah, I gotta buy one this week, simply next week.
Put them back in the hole. That's what I did. It's that low light.
That bit is so smooth. So smooth. Man, get down, sip it all. Still downshift. At all.
Y'all seen it. His right foot was on the gas, and there was two other pedals that were not being touched. He was shifting without using his clutch, bro. That's crazy. So I just got back to my house. I'm going to my car. I'm gonna actually try to drive without my clutch. Now that I've been taught and now that I know it's possible. So yeah, here we go. Psych, I'm not doing that. I would need 100 likes on this video. That's probably not even a lot, but I would need 100 likes on this video for me to attempt to drive my car without using the clutch. Don't even think about it, man. It's gonna take 100 likes. Yeah. But that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and smash that like button. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.